Hey guys, today we're going to check the hive to see if our queen is laying brood or not. If you watched this video, you know we got bees about 2 months ago. Link will be in the description. When we first got the hive, it was buzzing, no pun intended. But about 3 weeks ago something happened to the queen and things aren't all rosy. So watch to the end for the full explanation. Just want to check the top. See if they've built out some frames or not. Here we go. We're slowly building it out. There's not much happening in there. So they're just building out the cells on this one yet still. So far nothing in it. This is in the honey super. This one's Alright, so there in the middle, little black thing I think is where the queen is meant to be, or was. Looks like she's eaten her way out. So hopefully we've got some brood. Yeah, they're pretty calm at the moment as well. So I'm just being very careful. I don't want to upset them and I also don't want to damage the queen at all. As you can see, they're attacking my hand a little bit, so I'm doing too fast movements, I think. There's the queen thing.
So are we going to look for the queen?
Just the brood.
The brood.
Because if there's brood, that means there's a queen. Because there hasn't been any brood in there before. So right here, I'm just inspecting each frame and I'm looking for these white little squiggles or a capped off cell to indicate that there's brood, and I haven't found anything besides honey and pollen. So we've got this hive given to us. And there was a queen in there, a virgin queen. The virgin queen, I think, might have died or flew away and couldn't get back, or something happened to it, but we didn't have a queen for a while, so we got a beekeeper to put in a queen cell. This is what it looks like. I took it out of the hive. So it's a little black plastic that the bees put a queen cell on top. So he's put one in there with a queen in there, and it's come out, but there is no brood at all in the hive. I couldn't find a virgin queen. I'm not as good as a beekeeper would be of finding one. So we'll see. We might have to put some more brood frames in there or something, but at this stage we don't have a queen, which means we're not getting any new bees made. So that's the situation for now. So we'll see I'll have a chat with a beekeeper friend of mine, and we'll go from there. We'll be uploading videos throughout our beekeeping journey, so be sure to like and subscribe if you're curious about how we resolved our queen problem.